This is Laura here from Outback Motortek. This is our KTM 1090 Outback crash bar. We have a very unique design here.
Oh man, this thing looks great. I can hardly wait to get on this thing. You guys did a fantastic job putting on these Outback Motortek guards for me and skid plate. This thing looks awesome.
Yeah, man.
Hey, do you mind, can I throw over it and I take it for a ride right now? Man, or like it's all mine?
We got your money, man. You own it.
Right
It's all yours.
This thing's looking exciting.
It's all yours.
Oh, shit, man.
What are you doing? That's a brand new bike, man.
Sorry, man. Sorry.
I guess it's yours.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Whew. 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 Oh, man.
Thank God we have our Outback Motortek skid guards on.